Isa pa lang yun. Siyempre.
Commercial guys.
Bakit sila makita?
Alright. For white team. Ready? We are here. Here's our cheer. White team will be winners this year. We should be the ones you fear. You'll be running with your tears. We love God. We don't cap. We're not really good at rap. Koinonia, that's the theme. We are better than your team.
The blue team.
Let's welcome the green team. Gentlemen, let's welcome the red team.
Whoa! Be scared! The red team are coming! Go red! Whoa! Whoa! Wah! Wah! Are you scared now? Go red team! Give me an R! Rest in the Lord! Woo! Give me an E! Existence of creation! Woo! Give me a D! sorry. Use your hands.
Plus the purple one. Make it smaller.
In, out, Jonathan.
Out na pala ako.
Okay. Left. Pwede na. That's okay. That's okay. Huh? Yeah. That's okay. Oh, we have to be out on the circle. Because we never done that before. Oh, sorry. Okay. Let's do it again. Okay. That's fine. No, we need to make one. Oh, yeah, okay. Sorry. I'll not do it. Okay. Where are you now? In. Out. I think, sorry, Josiah. Okay. In, left, out, in, out, in, out. Okay. Right, left, out, in, left, out. Sorry. What's her name? Dixie. Sorry. Okay, 5. How many? 5 more. Left. Right. Left. Sorry. What happened there? Okay. Shoulder, head, knees, head, cup. Okay. Whatever. Okay, so sorry. This one. Yeah, head, shoulder, yeah. Okay, and so whoever, and then so the other one is already disqualified, and then so whoever have the cup will stay, and then so you will. No, it has to be 2. I'm just. Okay, go. Whoever touch it first. Okay, hold on. Head, shoulder, knees, cup. Just wait.
For the white team, ready? We are here. Here's our cheer. White team will be winners this year. We should be the ones you fear. You'll be running with your tears. We love God. We don't cap. We're not really good at rap. Boy and Mia, that's the theme. We are better than your team.